students, I hope you all are well by the grace of the Almighty. Now I am going to take a class on English first paper. In fact, it is difficult to take a class fruitfully in absence of the students. Yet I am trying to take such a class and make it successful. My dear students, I am now going to take the class on May Day, Unit 3, Lesson 2. Look at the picture. What can you see in the picture? You can see in the picture that a man is holding a hammer and something is written below it. Can you tell what is that? It is May Day. What is May Day? May Day. What is May Day? May Day or International Workers' Day is such a day on which the workers sacrifice their lives to establish an 8-hour work day and their rights. Today we enjoy many facilities, privileges such as minimum wages, better payment, better conditions, better lives. And we work 8 hours a day in an office, everywhere, in mills and factories. Workers now do. But in the past, workers in the mills and factories had to work a long shift, even 14 or even more a day. They had no fixed time. The owners made them do, compelled them to all the time as they liked. But the workers protested against this and sacrificed their lives and established their rights. Now we are going to learn about May Day, and now I am reading the text. May Day or International Workers' Day is observed on May 1st all over the world today to commemorate historical struggle and sacrifices of the working people to establish an 8-hour work day. It is a public holiday in almost all the countries of the world. That is, on 1st May, this day is observed all over the world, and this day is observed to commemorate the sacrifices of the workers. What is commemorate? What does the word commemorate mean? Commemorate, that is celebrate in memory of. That is, now we celebrate the day in memory of the sacrifice of the workers on 1st May. Okay, now since the Industrial Revolution in the 18th and 19th centuries in Europe and the US, the workers in mills and factories had been working a long shift, 14 or even more hours a day. Century, what is century? 18th century. "100 years make a century." In the 18th and 19th centuries in Europe and the US, the workers in mill and factories had been working a long shift, 14 hours or even more. That is, they were compelled to do work for a long time. They had no fixed time. Since the Industrial Revolution, the workers were being exploited. On May 1st in 1886, inspired by the trade unions, half of the workers at the McCormick Harvest Machine Company in Chicago went on strike, demanding an 8-hour work day. That is, what is trade union? Trade union is an organization of the workers of mills and factories. Trade union is an organization of the workers of mills and factories. Trade unions inspired the workers, and the workers, being inspired by them, went on strike on 1st May 1886. 2 days later, a workers' rally was held near the McCormick Harvest Machine Company, and about 6,000 workers joined it. 2 days later, a workers' rally was arranged near the McCormick Harvesting Machine Company. About 6,000 workers joined this rally. The rally was addressed by the labor leaders. They asked the workers to stand together, to go on with their struggle and not to give in to their bosses. And at one point of the rally, some strike breakers started leaving the meeting place. The strikers went down the street to bring them back. Suddenly, about 200 policemen attacked them with clubs and revolvers. One striker was killed instantly, 5 or 6 others were seriously wounded, and many others were injured. That is, the leader laborers addressed the rally. That is, delivered his speech towards the rally. They urged the workers to stand together. They tried to motivate them to stand together, to go on with their struggle, that is, to continue their struggle and not to give in to their bosses, that is, not to yield to their bosses. However, at one point of the rally, some of the strike breakers started leaving the meeting place. Then the strikers went down the street to bring these strike breakers back. But suddenly, about 200 police attacked these strikers with revolvers, that is, there is long stunts and revolvers. As a result, one striker was killed instantly, 5 or 6 others were wounded, and many others were injured seriously. The events of May 1st, 1886 are a reminder that workers will continue to be exploited until they stand up and speak out to gain better working conditions, better pay, better lives. That is the May Day. The lessons of the May Day are that the workers will continue to be exploited, to be treated roughly until they stand up together, raise their voice, protest against this. They will not be treated well. However, we have now come to know about May Day. May Day or International Workers' Day is the day on which the workers in mills and factories gave their lives, sacrificed their lives to establish an 8-hour work day. As a result of their sacrifice, now we, all the workers all over the world, enjoy facilities, privileges like wages, better lives, better payment, etc. They have sacrificed their lives to establish their rights. This day, now what is the importance of this day? The importance of this day is that this day makes the workers aware of their rights, and all over the world, all the workers now can know what their rights are. As a result of their sacrifice, the workers now have a security of their job, better payment, and many other facilities, and now they can struggle more to live a better life. So this day is very important for the workers and also all of us. In the past, the workers had to work a long shift, but now they had to work only 8 hours a day. So this is about May Day. I think you have come to know about May Day, and in the next class we will discuss about other things with the best of all.